Hello and welcome to another video. I've got something here. I think I know what it is, but I've got a few deliveries to open today, so let's have a look. Yes, so this was one of the things that I ordered when I did my eBay bidding session. I'll put a link up, put a card up there and a link in the description to any relevant videos. So this is where I put about 4 or 5 bids on things. Actually, I put 9 bids on, but only won 4 items. I don't know whether this would work. So this was £10. I think I got this for £10, including postage, which was very good indeed. So let me have a quick look off camera. Yeah, so there's a few micro scratches on there, but otherwise, there you go. You could just see it, but then the camera goes out of focus because it's a shiny surface. So I don't own one of these exact models. It's the RM-MZE33. Clip is intact. I must admit, it does look as if it's hardly been used. So let's check the cable over. The reason I put £10 bid on this is it's bound to be useful for something. But I don't know what mini-disc players this actually relates to, so I'm going to pause the recording now and come back and let you know when I figured it out. Yeah, so I've done a bit of searching around and I found that it comes with this player, the MZE33, and the remote is the RM-MZE33. So the MZE33 was a reduced cost player, and it came with this non-backlit remote. So let's see if I've got any mini-disc players that this will still work with. First up, this MZN710. It's launched the first track, but it's not playing. That's the stop button. Yeah, it doesn't appear to be working. So it's just up to the buttons on here. We've got a hold button, pause button, play mode button and display, stop button on the end, and once the camera can focus, it's just volume on there. So it doesn't appear to be working that well. When I'll check the disc, yeah, I put a known working disc in there, so no display on the remote, and play doesn't appear to work, but it does just go forwards and backwards. Oh yeah, so the play and fast forward is like that, and back skip is like that, but it doesn't seem to be playing, so we'll try another player. Okay, so we've got a bit of a cheaper machine here, the MZE501, quite a nice player actually. No screen on this one though, but let's see what happens here. No display on the screen, and I assume the player's playing. Oh, we have got a display on the screen, there we go. Poor camera's having trouble playing this. Again, I'm not sure whether it's playing. Let me get a speaker. Yep, it's playing, but I can't play very much of that. Right, so I've got a mini disc, my demo disc, so I can play that. It's not copyright on there. I thought I'd know how to put a mini disc in a player by now, wouldn't you? Right, let's play that then. There we go, so we've got volume here. Okay, the volume on my speaker is a bit low, I think. That's better. Forward. Bit loud now. So the remote works, let's go back. Yep, let's turn that down a bit. And what do we have here? I can't remember now. oh, display and God, I can't read those on camera. Oh, play mode and display and pause. So let's check those out. Check the hold out. Yep, hold appears to be working, although it doesn't say hold on the remote. Pause. Pause is working. Play mode, so reverse. Not sure what that means. Shuffle. And display. Now that just displays track numbers, I think, or names, or the disc name. On stand to play. So that works with the 501. Let's see if I've got any other players to try. Right, so let's try a 707, N707. No, nothing on there. Could be a flat battery, hang on. Got a brand new battery in this N707. I'm not getting anything out of it, so that's another repair video to do. Let's try another one. So we've got a noisy MZR70. Let's see if that's going to work. Sounds like a Star Trek Enterprise. Okay, so we got display on that one. Excellent. There we go. 1, 2. A bit loud still. Volume control works. It's quite a nice display on that one actually. It's nice and clear. Hold. Oh, is that hold? No, that's pause. Sorry, that's hold. Yeah, so hold and pause work. Yeah, and display works. Okay, so that's good. And stop, obviously. So that's it. It works with the R70. So what is going on here? I've put the same battery, brand new, into this MZE33, and I'm not getting anything out of that. So two players not working, no response from them. That one you can see there. Perhaps. Watch this. Watch the display as I press the button. The display has come on. I think that's the lid detect switch. Oh, I'm guessing. I've never fixed it. Cleaning the lid detect switch, which is just inside there. So I suppose we're in for penny, in for pound here. Get my handy dandy WD-40 contact cleaner. See if I can squirt a little bit in there and see what happens. Yeah, someone said, or a couple of people have commented that it could be the lid closed detect switch that is faulty on these. It's worth a try, isn't it? So the display is faintly on, all of the display is faintly on, but it's not working. So let's plug this in anyway and see what happens. No, nothing. So that's a bit of a disappointment. These two players aren't working, but this remote is working, and I've identified a few Sony Minidisc players that it will work with. I've got one more thing to try before I go though. Yeah, so I've tried it on this Discman, this CD player as well. It doesn't work either. It does put it in pause, and that's what other Minidisc remotes do as well, but it's not compatible. So that's it. So quite pleased with that. £10 including postage for a remote that works on a couple of discs. A bit sad really that it's not working on these two players, so I'll have to figure that out another time. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.